Okay, I'm going to take my Bowdabra Bow Wire and cut a length that's long enough so that I can fold it in half, lay it into the Bowdabra, and tuck the ends underneath, and then I'm going to use it to tie it onto my ponytail holder as well. So I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, which is this side here, and lay that down. And I'm doing a little mountain. Let's go to the overhead camera. It'll be a little bit easier for you to see what I'm doing here. I'm going to put a little mountain in the middle and scrunch that down. Then I'm going to bring this back here. And again, I'm going to, now the reason that I do this little, it's like a little mountain and then scrunch it in, is because that way I don't have to sew. So again, I'm going to do the same thing going this way, but this time I'm going to have my, it's a pinwheel bow, so I'm going to have my tail going down. And I'm going to just push everything down in here. Take my little Corker ribbons. And if you want to know how much ribbon we're using, just look in the materials list in the description below the video. And we're just going to lay all these in here. And lay this down in here. And the Corker ribbon, I think, adds such a great little dimension to this bow. And then I have this cute little shamrock. It's on a little mini pick that we're just going to lay down into the Mini Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra Bow Wire and bring this up, pull it through my slip knot. That's why we fold it in half to begin with. Pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Pull it out. I'm going to bring my shamrock over here, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, double knot it, take my ponytail holder, and I'm just going to bring it around here and knot it and clip bow. And then now I'm just going to shape out, bring my shamrock to the center and shape this, bring my tail up, my other tail down, and you have this really pretty little hair bow that was, again, I'm going to end it with the way I always do, that was super simple to make. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.